Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our gorgeous channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and do a Sheglam haul. I have a bunch of makeup that I bought from Sheglam, and look at this one, except for my falsies. I'm sure you're gonna love and enjoy the video. I can't wait to show it to all of you. I already moisturized my skin with some hyaluronic acid. I'm using this Sheglam Brows On Demand 2-in-1 Brow Pencil. The shade for this one is chocolate. As usual, I always draw my brow first and fill it up to the desired thickness of my eyebrow. To carve my brow, I am using the Sheglam concealer. The shade for this one is Coconut Flakes. This will help me create a beautiful shape of my eyebrow. And I'm also using it as my eyeshadow primer. And then for my primer, I am going to be using this Sheglam Birthday Skin Primer. This is just to really hold my makeup or foundation for all day long. I just apply it all over my face with just enough amount. I just add a right amount on my face. Then for my eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Sheglam Lots to Lava palette. It has like a very nice stunning color. So I start with the shade of Abstract. Then I follow it along with this Deep Thinker. And then I'm gonna use this Raven. It's like a black shade with like some orange particles in there. So you see that one. And I just apply it and just on the outer corner of my crease. And in this darker brown color, I'm gonna apply it just below my waterline. I'm gonna use this Sheglam Gel Liner. The shade for this one is black. And this is waterproof too. So I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. And I'm gonna use the other side to diffuse the color. Then on my eyelid, I am gonna be using this Metallic Super Shock eyeshadow. The shade for this one is number 1. The brush is not working, so it's really good to apply it using your finger. And then for my liquid eyeliner, I am going to be using this liquid eyeliner. I always start my liquid eyeliner on the outer corner of my eyes and then work on towards the inner corner to create a cat's eye look. For my foundation, I'm going to be using this. Look at the packaging, it's so pretty. It's so sleek and it's not plastic, it's like glass. So yeah, this is in the shade Sand. This is a Complexion Pro long-lasting, breathable, matte liquid foundation. To blend it, I am using a damp beauty sponge to apply it all over my face. I feel like using a damp beauty sponge is perfect to evenly apply on my face. Oh, this is a full coverage. Look at how it covers the scar on my face. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the concealer. It's the same concealer that I used to carve my eyebrow earlier. And by the way, this is in the shade Coconut Flakes. I am so amazed of how this concealer gives like an amazing results under my eyes. Look how smooth it is. This concealer is everything. Look at that. So smooth. You guys, this concealer dries really fast. Oh, she's doing her job. So I'm gonna set my concealer as well as my liquid foundation using this Velvet VL Oil Control Powder. The shade for this one is Warm Sand. Then I'm gonna use a brush, a fluffy brush, to apply it all over my face. Then for my contour, I am gonna be using this liquid contour. The shade for this one is Golden Sun. I super love this applicator because it gives me like a good control of how much product I apply in my face and to create a perfect contour. It smells good. It smells like chocolate. Then I use my contour brush to distribute it evenly on my face. I think some of us doesn't know that Sheglam really has a nice makeup product. And to be honest, there are some that I also don't like. For real, most of the products that I bought from them really exceeds my expectations. And then for the blush, I am going to be using this blush. The shade for this one is Night Drive. So this blush on you guys, it's super amazing because it's not going to ruin my liquid foundation as well as my powder foundation and my contour. Look. I'm impressed. Then we're gonna go ahead and set my face with this Sheglam loose powder. Then I leave it there for like a few minutes. And then before I'm going to apply my falsies, I'm just gonna buff it off. Then for my highlighter, I am going to be using this Chromazone highlighter. The shade for this one is Lucid. And then I'm going to be using this Music Flower Fix Mist Oxygen Replenishment 24 Hours Lasting Makeup Spray. And then I'm going to be using this lash glue. It's a super strong strip lash adhesive. The shade for this one is Black. I also use this one as my liquid eyeliner, and this lash adhesive really holds my falsies for quite a long time. For my lip liner, I'm going to be using this Sheglam 101, and the shade for this one is super small, Deep Caramel. I just used it. I'm not going to use the other side. It has lipstick, but I'm going to be using the lip liner just to create like a perfect shape of my lips. Then for my lipstick, I am going to be using this liquid lipstick. The shade for this one is Millionaire. This is a nude color, so I love it. This is a matte, by the way, and it's transfer proof. I'm gonna fix my hair and then I'll be right back. So I'm gonna show it to all of you how this lipstick really is a transfer proof.
What?
There is no transfer. So here's another proof. No transfer. So there you go, beautiful people. I hope you liked the video, and see, it's super easy. And I also wanted to let you guys know that all this makeup that I got from Sheglam are so inexpensive. You can actually get it. All of this makeup that I use, I think I paid just only less than $50. Guys wanted to learn my hair, I have a separate video to achieve this beautiful hairstyle, so check on it, and I will see you all on my next video. Love you all. Thanks for watching.